Hello friends, today I am here by taking the concept that is very much beneficial for class 9th and 10th both. Yes, chapter first is there decimal representation. Yes, terminating, non-terminating, repeating your recurring, your non-recurring words you will see. Very easy to get. Now let us do some examples. I will tell what is terminating. Suppose 1 by 4. If you divide 1 by 4 in this manner, you know it is not going, you will take 0 point something. Then you have taken 4 to the 8. Then 4 5 the 20. In this manner you are getting remainder as a 0. So you get 0.25 which is terminated. It means it stops at any point. So this is known as terminating. Clear? Next, 5 by 4. When you keep 5 inside and you will divide it by 4, you are getting 1.25. Then you know it also stops at 5. So it is also known as terminating. Next is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means if you will divide it, you are getting 6 infinitely. So you can write 0.6 bar. What name you give now? Non-terminating, because it does not stop. It is going again and again and repeating. So what is the answer? Non-terminating or recurring. Yeah, repeating. We can say recurring and repeating both have same meaning. 15 by 7. If you divide it, you will see 2.142857. 142857. This number is making a chain. So this is also what? Non-terminating and repeating. Clear? Next is without doing long division, how to find is it terminating or non-terminating? Now some students are feeling how is it possible? Then it is also very easy. You have not to see, keep it same, but you will make the prime factors of your denominator. Then you will get 2 square. Now I am telling one thing, whose denominator is having this type of form, 2 raised to power m into 5 raised to power n, then it is terminating, otherwise no. And it must be what? Natural numbers. Just see, this is a terminating. Now you are thinking, why is it terminating? It is not having this. But yes, it can be. Because every number whose power is 0, that is 1. You know about this? A raised to power 0 is what? 1. So we can write it with 5 raised to power 0. So it is what? It is terminating. Next is 1 upon 250. Yes, it firstly break it into these factors. Then 5 cube into 2 raised to power 1. Yes, it is in that form. Which form? 2 raised to power m into 5 raised to power n form is here. No problem, m both are natural. Yes, it is terminating. Now you were thinking how to find its decimal expansion. Up to yet you got ki this is terminating or non-terminating. Yes, you have to make the powers same. Firstly you will see which power is bigger. Of course 3 is bigger. You will make the power of 2 also 3. So how many 2 are less? 1 2 is here. You have to make it 3. So 2 square you will multiply and 2 square you will divide. Why you know this property? 2 raised to power m into 2 raised to power n is equal to 2 raised to power m plus 1. Yes, if both numbers are having same base are written in multiplication, then you will add its powers. Same I did. Yes, it will become 2 cube and upside will remain same. Now you know one thing more. It's one rule also here. A m into bm. If both numbers are having same powers, then you can multiply the bases but power will remain same. Similarly I did. Yes, so 10 cube, 2 square is your 4. So you will can write it 1000. So you will break it firstly 4, but you have to make after 3 places 1, 2, 3. Next is 4 upon 75. Firstly break, then you will see 3 you don't want and it cannot be removed. So this is not non-terminating. I hope you are getting. 3 you don't want, except 2 and 5 you don't want anything. 27 upon 27. 7 upon 75. Firstly you will see कि it can be simplified. So make it simplify. Up to yet it's not possible. So yes, it is terminating. Yes, very good. Why? Because you can write 2 raised to power 0. We can write a raised to power 0 is what? 1. So you know you have got कि this is terminating. Now you have to write its decimal expansion. So 2, how many are less? 2. 2 square I have multiplied and divided. Which you are multiplying, you have to divide also. 9 into 4 it will become, and AB whole square it will become. Just like this rule, multiply the bases, power will remain same. Then it will become 0.36. I hope you are getting. Next is express in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers, Q not equal to 0. Firstly you will write your number is equal to X. Bar means it is repeating, and now you will multiply with what? How many digits are having bar? 1. So you will multiply with 10. If they are having 2 digits are having bar, then you will multiply with 100. 3 digits are having bar, then you will multiply with 1000. Now you will take it first. Bar means I repeated. Multiply with 10 both sides. Then 10x, and here 1 digit will come outside. If I multiply with 100, then 2 digits will come outside. But you know why we are multiplying by 10? Because only single digit is having bar. Now you will subtract. 10x minus x is 9x. And see, these 6 will cancel. And you know one thing, if it is infinite times, if I take 2 from them, it will remain infinite. You are not able to count. So it will remain 6 minus 0 is 6, all will cancel. 2, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So your answer is 2 by 3, and you have written in form of P upon Q. Next question is, let x is equal to 0.47 bar. It means 7 is having bar, 7 is repeating. So multiply by 10, because single digit is here. It will become 10x. How many digits will come out? Only 1, because multiplied by 10 we have. So it will become in this manner. After that you will subtract these two. 10x minus x is your 9x, and you will see these terms will cancel. But 7 minus 4 is 3. 4 minus 0 is your 4. X is equal to 43 upon 90, because I removed decimal. It will become 90. Next is let x is equal to this. It means 0.00 bar is repeating. How many digits are coming on bar? 3. So I multiplied with 1000. 1000x is equal to, if I multiplied with 1000, 3 digits will come out, then other will remain same. So divide, after multiplying you will subtract. It will become 999, and here you will see 00, all will digits cancel. 00 have no value. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. You will take firstly this number, then this, because subtracting first from second, from term you will always keep firstly. Then you will get this answer. Next is let x equal to 0.235 bar. Bar is only on 3 5. So 3 5 is repeating. Now you will multiply with 100, because 2 digits are having bar. It will become 100x. How many digits will come out? 2, 23. It will remain same, 53, 53, 53. Yes, now you will see these will cancel. But 5 minus 2 is your 3. 23 minus 0 is your 23. 100 minus 1 is 99. Then you will take it in denominator. I hope you are getting कि how we are doing. Firstly we will see with which digits are having bar, multiply with them. 100,000 depend on digits, then you will subtract, see it properly. Firstly you will keep second, then you will subtract first. In this manner you will get how to represent your given number in rational number. I hope you are getting. This is very easy concept. Thank you. Have a nice day.